Hello, good afternoon. My name is Mark Rowley, and today we are going to be looking at how to calculate a monthly repayment for a loan or mortgage. And in this case, we're going to look at a mortgage. So we've got a purchase price up here of how much the actual total mortgage is going to be. So in this case, 160,000. Interest rate. We can play around with that a little bit. I've just gone in at a simple 1.24%, but it's not the percent that we actually need for this formula. It's actually the decimal equivalent. So what we need to do is just use this formula. So we look at the percentage and divide it by 12, and then the number of months that you're going to be paying this mortgage off at. So I've literally assumed it's 12 months times by 25 years. Okay, so if we just type in here, amount of monthly repayment. Now, this is only a very basic guide, but it'll give you an idea how this works. So if we type equals PMT, open bracket, and then just walk through this. So it's saying, right, what is the rate? So we use the decimal. Okay, is the total number of payments for the loan? Well, that's going to be, as I said earlier, number of months. There's going to be 300. So we just type that, and then what's in this case, it's saying the present value, but what we're saying is the value of the loan is that much. Okay, and I'm just going to default these ones to 0 and click OK, and okay, it's done it in dollars. So if we just format cells, currency, I'll just put none for now, that'll do, and click OK, and so therefore it's saying £620.54. So how do we test that that is right? Well, what we can do is if we go to Rightmove, and we go and find any property, let's have a look. Actually, let's do CB1. Not really bothered which one within quarter of a mile max. Say 170 grand. See if we can find anything. That one will do. Right, if we scroll down to the very bottom of here, they should have a mortgage calculator. There we go. So we're going to mirror what we've just done in Excel here. Oops. Where's my spreadsheet on? There we go, and there. Okay, so we're going to mirror this. So the property price we're going to assume is 160,123, and the deposit, let's assume there's no deposit in this case. The interest 1.24% over 25 years, and as you can see, it says, the monthly repayment is indeed £621, and that's basically it. We can also build a deposit into this formula as well if we want, and we can change the interest rate quite easily. Just change that, the decimal updates, easy peasy. Okay, so obviously that works for a loan as well as a mortgage. It's a very, very basic calculation. Okay, thank you very much for watching.